Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to show you the items that I had from FCF VIP collections. Um, so I got the carbon design pillowcase or pillows, shoulder pads, and the neck pads, and and then of course the floor mats as well. And the only thing that I need to get from them to complete the interior, from them, like with all the VIP stuff that they have, is just the seat covers. And I would like to get black seat covers, so I don't know. Maybe I should still try to stick with this color, because maybe it might be too much black and just makes the headliner a little weird. But yeah, these are what's attached to the back. But yeah, and I love their logo. I love the way it looks. Having it embroidered on, embroidered on here. Perfect sizing on all of the pieces. And of course, I wanted to stick with the white logo on these, and you can do black, red, and blue. And then of course, you know, they have a different colors for these. Well, not the carbon designs. The carbon designs is only going to be black, but everything else will be the smooth leather for the different colors. Oops. FCF VIP collection, so I'll leave the link down in the description, and I'll just have the link that'll just show you the overall view of that VIP section. So it'll have all the shoulder pads, the pillows, floor mats, seat covers, and stuff. So, yep.